Throughout the world, there are countless treasures and antiquities that tell incredible tales of ages gone by. These treasures speak of the rise and fall of empires, the wars and battles that shaped our world, kings and queens who ruled over vast territories, and heroes who fought for freedom and justice. Commodore Coins and Collectibles takes great pride in being able to offer you amazing and unique pieces of history. Interested in golden balloons and pieces of 8 from shipwrecks, treasure chests from the 17th century, jewelry, maps, antique arms and armor, or other rarities. Many of our treasures are museum quality, unique, or one of a kind, as we are constantly on the hunt for the finest quality treasures and artifacts. If you're a collector of rare antiquities, history buff, or just someone who wants to own something truly rare and unique, we have something for everyone. Our team of experts travels the world in search of the most remarkable items, and we invite you to explore our collection and discover the treasures that await you.